Turning data into information is perhaps one of the biggest struggles that a lot of companies face. Now, Palantir has the solution. If you guys haven't heard about Palantir yet, it's definitely a company that you need to check out. And guess what we're going to do in this video? We're going to check it out. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to watch the rest of this video. Click that like button. If the subscribe button is red, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. But let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow together, and we're going to grow our portfolios together. So, like I said before, we're going to be talking about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR in this video. If you haven't heard about Palantir, what do? So, they pretty much take your data, take a company's data, and make it accessible information. Now, this might not sound like a lot right off the bat, right? Every company kind of has their own data. They can do what they want with it, right? Well, think about it this way. You have your data. The company has data, mounds and mounds of data. But what do they do with it? If it's siloed in different places and they can't access the data, or they can't turn it into information, invaluable information, what good is it really? You know, you can have data upon data upon data, but if you don't know what to do with it, it's just sitting there. It's useless to you, essentially, until you figure out what to do with it and how to move forward with it. And this is exactly what Palantir does. Through their software and through their different algorithms, they're able to produce usable information from the data your company, or from the data the company has stored. Now, I'm not going to get into all of the analytics on how they do this and things like that, because I'm not a data scientist, so I don't really understand the computer science behind all the different algorithms that they've got going on, and all of the different software that they have, and the analytics that they use. But in a nutshell, that's what they do. They take a company's data and they make it useful. And this, in itself, empowers the company to grow leaps and bounds. So, it's not just going to help one industry. This company's not, siloed themselves into a corner saying, we can only help the fintech industry, or we can only help government contractors. It's not like this. Any company that needs help making use of the data that they have can take advantage of Palantir. Governments, private organizations, it doesn't matter. If data's your thing and you need information, that's where you go. So let's talk a little bit about the stock price and about their income statement. Because I know a lot of us here, we know how to read income statements. We kind of understand them, but it's not our bread and butter, right? We want to get the two pieces of bread, right? We don't care about all the meat in between. We just want to know the top and bottom lines. So a lot of companies we talk about on this channel are smaller companies, right? They're penny stocks, and they might not have huge income statements. Well, Palantir is a little bit different. This is a $1 billion company. Their most recent revenue period was $1 billion that they brought in revenue. And this is huge, okay? This is a huge company doing $1 billion a year in sales, but they don't have that bottom line. They're not profitable on the bottom line just yet. But that doesn't rule them out, okay? That's not to say that they need to be profitable before they become a good company. Absolutely not. They're innovative. They're making huge moves in the industry, and they're empowering other industries and other companies to grow as well. So this is definitely something that you want to take a look at when considering adding stocks to your portfolio and diversifying, because there's not a ton of data analytics companies out there that are growing like Palantir is growing. And when I say growing, let's take a look at the stock price really quick. So they IPO'd sometime around September, maybe late September, and it was around a $9 price target, okay? Now, what are they trading at today? You can go out to Google and check it out today, but at the time of this video, of course, this is the weekend, so nothing's trading right now, but at the time of the video, they were trading above $20 per share. So this is more than doubling your money just in the last couple months alone. That's a huge increase for this stock. There's a lot of buzz around this company and a lot of interest in what they're doing. Why? Not only because of the growth that they're bringing to other industries and other companies, but the endless possibilities that they have for themselves as well. So, you're talking about getting in this stock now. Yes, it's already double the price it was in September. And maybe you've got that fear of missing out. Maybe you're like, well, it's too high now. Should I really get in? Well, let's think about it, guys. There's no limit on how high the stock price can go. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that the stock price is going to go to $1 million. But if you just think about stocks in general, what's the limit? When does it reach its cap, right? When it stops growing, okay? That's when the stock price is going to stop growing as well, when the company stops growing. Palantir has so much road ahead of them that they're not going to stop growing anytime soon. They have so much room to grow, so much innovation left in this space that it's almost hard to say that, well, this stock is too high right now because it's already doubled in price since the IPO. Well, think about it. If they said the same thing about companies like Facebook and the stock was trading at $30 a share and they thought this stock price is too high, of course they missed out there. Think about companies like Netflix, Apple, Microsoft, Google, all these other companies. Amazon's another one. I mean, look at Amazon. That stock never stops growing, and Amazon never stops growing. So think about the revolution that Palantir and data analysis can have, not only for one specific industry, but industries across the board. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to go out, do your own due diligence on it, check it out. And this could be an excellent way to diversify your portfolio a little bit and get into the data analytics space. So if you found this video interesting, make sure to click that like button if the subscribe button is still red. I don't know why, guys. We're here to grow together and we're here to grow our portfolios together. So make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video that we post. We talk a lot about hot stocks and trending stocks, and definitely excellent opportunities for you to grow your portfolio and diversify your portfolio. So with that being said, I hope that each and every one of you continue to invest, continue to grow yourselves and grow in your knowledge and grow in your financial education. And until the next time, I hope that all of you have an awesome day.